This tool allows you to spam comments based on keywords. As you may know, spamming comments in group posts is very common. Nonetheless, the Mercanti Post tool will help you spam comments based on keywords. It will comment on posts with your chosen keywords automatically and in large numbers. To comment by keyword, we will use the Mercanti Post software. The Mercanti Post software allows us to comment on posts by keyword. This function enables us to input the keywords we desire. The software will then automatically search and comment on posts containing those keywords. We will go to the Profile Features section. There will be a feature for commenting by UID or comment based on keywords. We will target the keyword commenting feature. Here, you just need to choose. This tool allows you to spam comments based on keywords. As you may know, it's quite common to spam comments in group posts. However, the Mercanti Post software will assist you in spamming comments by keyword. It will automatically comment on posts with your chosen keywords in large numbers. To comment by keyword, we will use the Mercanti Post software. The Mercanti Post software will allow us to comment on posts by keyword. This function will enable us to input the keywords we desire. Then the software will automatically search and comment on posts containing those keywords. We will go to the Profile Features section. There will be a function for commenting by UID or comment using keywords. We will target the keyword commenting section. Here, you just need to choose. Select the recent post filter, choose randomly. In addition, it will let you recover the commented content and upload a 10-second image. Now, simply choose the accounts for commenting. After setting up, we just need to hit start, and the process will begin searching for posts containing keywords and leaving comments in the comment section. Overall, all the features for commenting by keywords. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.